Hey everyone. Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to easily forward emails from your cPanel to your Gmail account in some simple steps. Then, you can easily check your webmail from your Gmail account, making your workflow smoother. If you're looking for a way to manage all your emails in one place, this is for you. Let's get started. First, log into your cPanel account. Once you're in cPanel, look for the email section and click on Forwarders. Click on the Add Forwarder button and you'll see a form where you can enter name of the email you want to forward. Then choose the domain name. Then enter the Gmail address you want the emails to go to. Once you've added both, hit Add Forwarder. Now that we've set up the forwarder, it's time to test it. Go ahead and send a test email to your cPanel email address. Successfully, you have created forward emails from cPanel to Gmail. If you enjoyed it, please consider subscribing to our channel for more informative and useful content. Thanks for watching video.